This is the brand new Meta Quest 3S. $300 for a VR headset, but is it really worth it? I've spent the last few weeks thoroughly testing it. And as someone who's never owned a VR headset before, I've got some surprising thoughts. I've built a complete pros and cons list so that by the end of this video, you'll know whether it's your next must-have gadget or if you should save your money. So what does $300 actually get you and how easy is the setup? Straight out of the box, it's pretty straightforward. You get the headset, 2 controllers, and a glasses spacer so you can wear your glasses and the headset at the same time. The headset also connects to an app where you can download apps and games, mess around with a profile, and collect achievements. And the app also walks you through the complete setup, which actually was surprisingly smooth. I had it up and running in under 10 minutes, and that's coming from a VR beginner. So if ease of setup is a priority for you, it definitely won't disappoint there. But let's jump into the fun stuff. What really makes the Quest 3S stand out, and what surprised me the most? Although the controllers come with batteries, you can also purchase this charging dock which includes rechargeable batteries so you never have to think about battery life. The headset itself is super adjustable with both the back straps and the top Velcro strap. The headset reads your room and automatically sets up spatial boundaries so you don't run into anything. There's also a button you can press on the headset at any time which turns on or off the pass-through so you can see or hide the real world. To use the headset, you can use the controllers or ditch them entirely and just use hand gestures to select and drag things around. And games are genuinely fun. I got stuck playing Fruit Ninja for a bit too long. And Meta Quest Plus, which the headset comes with a trial of, allows you to download tons of games for free. But the biggest surprise? 360-degree YouTube videos. With my fear of heights, this one actually had me sweating. Seriously, I had to take a break. But of course, no product is perfect. And after using the Quest 3S for a while, I found a few things that really frustrated me. In fact, the last one might just be a deal breaker. I mentioned that Meta Quest Plus is free when you first get the headset, but it is a bit annoying that in 3 months you have to continue to pay for it if you want it. Tapping and selecting seems simple, but as a beginner, I've found it way too easy to misclick. The controller moves when you press down, which makes hitting the right button a bit tricky. And while everything in the virtual world is super clear, that's only if you perfectly adjust it to your head, which I've found to be a bit finicky, especially if you're sharing with a friend back and forth. And the last con? Good luck trying to use your phone through the headset, even in pass-through mode. If you're like me and want to text or check something mid-game, you'll be fumbling with the headset and adjusting all over again. It's a real pain. When new products hit the market, my goal is simple: to help you figure out if they're worth the price. And at $300, I think this VR headset is actually worth its price. Most VR headsets are significantly more expensive. Now, if you're curious about Ninja's latest gadget, the Ninja Crispy, and whether that one is worth your money, you won't want to miss my detailed review on it. Spoiler alert, I might replace my current air fryer with it.